everybody, Built Customs here. So today I got a kit off of eBay. This is a 3D printed ramp truck rear end for the 62, I believe it is 62 C10. So I painted this truck yesterday, and this truck used to be a flatbed on the channel I made a video about, but I think this is gonna be a big upgrade. That ramp truck, or the flatbed, was kinda janky, you could say, but the seller was nice enough to send me 2 extras, so you might see those in a future video. This one's actually for a 50 Chevy, as you can see. I believe it's 50. And then alongside that, it comes with axles, which he sent a load of extra axles. I've got 3 bags of axles, which is plenty enough. But I'll probably be using these axles to make gassers or something like that in the future. And then along with that, he sent me axles and these back ends that go on, if you want, they go on this section of the truck, just like that, which looks pretty nice, but I don't think we're gonna go with that for this first build. I just want to keep this truck nice and clean. So I'm not going to be talking in the rest of the video, but there will be pictures of the steps that I take. But one thing I don't like about this kit is you have to cut off this front section here, but that should be no big deal. So alright, we'll see you at the end. Alright guys, I just wanted to thank y'all again for watching. There will be more like big custom projects like this, so just make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.